Welcome to the XQ dashboard tutorial. Today we'll be going over team provisioning. After an organization has registered, they will log in, which brings them to the dashboard landing page. Let's hop over to the team page and look at provisioning. The team page shows a list of all of the current team members and invited team members. We can add a single user or import a list. Let's head over to add a user to add a single user. Within adding a single user, we'll add their information, choose their role, and click create. At this point, the user will receive a confirmation email. They must click accept invitation within that email to be added to the team. Once they are added to the team, their actions can be tracked. Let's head back over to the team page and look at importing a list. A template is available for download from this page, which details the format of the CSV. Let's pop over into Excel and look at what that format is. Within Excel, we see that each individual user has their own row detailing first name, last name, role, title, email, and optionally their phone number. Let's import that list and you'll see successful additions. Let's head back over to the team page and we can check on their status. Their status is currently invited. It will stay as invited until they've clicked confirm in the email they've been sent, at which point it will flip over to validated. Now let's head over to Monitor. Monitor is where all of the encryption events for your team are tracked. Everyone that has been added to the team and confirmed their membership will now have all their end client encryption events tracked within Monitor. Thank you very much for your time today and enjoy XQ.